We're going to watch him now. To our left, Ken Reeder in red line number 1. To our right, Austin Reeder in red line number 2 as they perform the simultaneous hammerhead turnarounds and work their way back towards the center of our aerobatic airspace. This is going to be the opposing loop as they cross 3 times. Let's watch for the cross. Let's again put our hands together for Bill Stein and the torque roll. Right down the line. Watch them now as they go through this, the avalanche maneuver, a loop with a snap roll on the top. And they will continue to work their way off to Airshow left. This will be the mirror pass, doing it Top Gun style. As they work their way again inbound from the right, let's listen in as Ken Reeder makes the call. Setting up now for the parallel loop. 18,000 that were built. Only around 150 remain in airworthy condition today. A story of a guy who built one in his basement and had to bring in earth-moving equipment to get it out for its first flight. Most of these airplanes are built in a hangar or a garage. It is not uncommon that after perhaps an 8 or 10 or 12-minute aerobatic routine, that the pilots, the type of performers like Bill Stein, who do this type of flying, look like they've gone through an hour and a half intense This is called the ultimate. It's a tribute to our buddy Rob Holland as he now rolls the aircraft to the left. Stops it, smoke comes off, watch for the back stick. He's going to put this thing into a forward somersault. Yes, indeed, and into a fully developed inverted flat spin. That's a maneuver that was once thought to be unrecoverable.
So release the moves.
Bill Stein making continual control inputs now as they work their way into the extended trail formation with a series of high-speed aileron rolls on the down line. These aircraft were built for one purpose and one purpose only. That's the type of flying that you are seeing right now. The Extra 300 built in Germany by a guy named Walter Extra, and the Zivco Edge 540 built right here in the US of A are some of the highest. We watch them now as they tilt their head back off to the right-hand side now as they again dive in from the right at over 200 miles an hour. In their right hand, the control stick. In their left hand, the throttle. And down by their feet, they have their rudder pedals to dance these airplanes across the sky. These two guys are definitely feeling good today. I can see it in their flying. Some 24 seconds in the hover. You will not see that maneuver performed by just control. Once again, you can see why as he sets up for this next maneuver he calls the spiraling staircase. He'll roll it, hanging on the parcel propeller with a series of snap rolls on the downline, essentially high-speed stalls of one wing. That's one of the hardest and most uncomfortable maneuvers to prevent togs right there into the world's smallest side. We're just getting started. Just for your round of applause, everybody. How do you like Kevin Coleman so far? During Bill's performance, he will actually use the gyroscopic force of the propeller and, of course, the engine to do maneuvers that are just insane to think about. And even though that Bill Stein knows exactly where he puts the airplane every time, set up for a salute to all of you joining us on this great day here at the Toledo Air Show. From Bill Stein and Kevin Coleman, it's the heart in the sky.